Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make muffins. Let's start by adding 2 medium-sized eggs to a bowl. Then add half cup of sugar and whisk them well for at least 2 to 3 minutes. This muffin recipe is super easy and delicious. It needs few ingredients and you will love the taste. Now I am adding half cup of oil and whisk again until sugar fully dissolve in the mixture, and in between I added bit of salt. Here I am taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour and adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder into the flour. Then I am straining the flour into the egg mixture. After adding the flour, we have to mix them really well until there are no lumps. At this moment I would like to know from which city you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. If you still watching the video and if you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this recipe. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. After that I am adding 2 tablespoons of fresh milk into the mixture. First add half of the milk and mix them, then add the second part and mix them again. After mixing them, now I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix again. Now I am going to transfer them to a bowl where I can pour them easily to the muffin tray. Then I am taking my muffin tray and place the muffin liners inside the tray. Now fill the cups with the mixture. Before transfer to the oven, preheat your oven for 5 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the muffins for 15 to 20 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Check with a bamboo stick. If your muffins are ready, bamboo stick will come out clean, without anything stuck around. See how nice these muffins looks, it's very easy. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.